What's up, guys? Today we'll be playing Primal Fear again. I hate my life because this is the scariest game that I ever played. And we got my friend Parker. I will put him in the screen to subscribe to him.
Yeah.
And if you don't subscribe to him, I will get your IP and destroy you and get the shock.
What sound it makes when I do that? Listen to this. I'm motioning
I
like
have
this,
snaps
but
on.
fast.
Okay, come on, let's get in the video, or are gonna kill me, cause I know we made a video a long time now.
If they killed you, then I would kill them. You're safe.
Of course. Can you see what I'm seeing, Hold up. It's too loud. Anyways, do you see the monster?
No, I see darkness.
It's just like escape a boom. Damn it, I hate my life. Go, get out! Oh my god.
Abby, I'm sorry, I can't go with you. I'm too much of a scared cat, okay?
I hate my...
Comments can say that I'm scared of cat.
Oh god, I'm alone.
Comments can say that I'm scared of cat.
Oh god, I'm scared.
I promise. I hate this so much.
Oh god, where am I?
I'm so sorry, Abby.
Oh frick. Where am I? Where am I? I'm in the abyss! We're not...
Oh, thank God, you're here.
Okay. Whew.
What are you?
Jesus. I hope the monster's not there anymore.
Wait.
Yes?
Wait. Help. My stick turning
Give me
sucks.
two, what do you think?
No, it's literally like I'm not even pressing it and it's moving. Does that happen to you too?
It does that all the time for me. Well, when I'm playing like sitting down games.
Wait, have you seen the jump scares in the
Yes, it's more scary than ever. It's okay.
No, it's not. I don't want to do it. Hold on, wait, come back. I need preparation.
Okay. Doop, 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 doop.
IBM ThinkPad. That's not the IBM. Stop moving! Stop making me turn, or else I will beat you up. I'm not talking to you, Abby. I'm talking to my controller. No, we're not doing it. Yes, we are.
Just follow me.
We're going on solo.
I know. I'm
Abby,
scared as
I'm
frick
scared.
too, bro. Oh, hello!
This always happened to me. I'm like,
It held a...
was it bloody?
No, it just gives you... It just shows your lifeless body. It's not bleeding, but it's just showing your lifeless body. Like that. Like that.
Abby, you better pay for my therapy.
Okay, I'll give you... I will... Oh my god, I'm... Oh, no! What? How could I hurt him?
I put these. Hold on, my glasses are blurry. Don't go out yet. So,
Okay.
hold on. My glasses are blurry. There we go. That's better.
Ow. Okay.
Wait. Wait. It's time not to be a poo-poo. His face appears.
What?
Why?
Oh god, I see a lifeless body. It's not even pink anymore.
I actually hate this.
Yeah, I hate this too, buddy. Jesus, where's my cone hat and my freaking...
Why? I was so close to the thing. Ah! I need therapy now.
You need therapy, but I don't.